What if you could buy a house without converting crypto to US dollars? Well, now you can thanks to lenders in this space. Here's the latest on crypto and home buying. What is a crypto-backed mortgage anyway? A crypto-backed mortgage lets you use certain cryptocurrencies as collateral to get into a home loan. Here's why that's important. You're not selling your crypto. Instead, you're locking it up with a lender, and they give you the dollars to buy a home. You still benefit from future value gains of that crypto. So how does it work? Let's say you have $500,000 in crypto, and you pledge it to the lender. They hold it in a secure account in an exchange, and they lend you the US dollars to buy your home. Here's the catch, crypto prices can swing a lot. So lenders probably want more crypto than your loan amount, just in case. If you're a long-term crypto believer, this is a way to buy a home without selling your coins and triggering taxes. Some lenders don't even check your credit score or income. They care more about the value of your crypto. Plus, there's usually no down payment, and closing can be faster than with traditional mortgages. With a traditional mortgage, you put cash down, go through credit checks, and your house is the collateral. A crypto mortgage, on the other hand, is different. Your crypto is the collateral, not the house. But that means if your crypto tanks, your lender could sell it to cover the loan. These loans aren't without risks. Crypto is volatile. If the crypto value falls too much, you face a margin call and a forced sale of your pledged coins. And interest rates may be higher than with a traditional loan. Remember, there's no FDIC protection, and if the lender goes under, your crypto could disappear with it. Plus, not many lenders offer this kind of loan yet. You'll have to vet each company more thoroughly than with a traditional lender, since there are few, if any, government regulators watching over them. Crypto-backed mortgages might be a good fit for you if you have a lot of crypto, spotty credit, and maybe some non-traditional income, like if you're self-employed. But you'll need strong crypto holdings, documented ownership, and a lender who accepts your specific coins. So should you buy a home with your crypto? Maybe. Just make sure you understand the risks, compare lenders carefully, and talk to a pro before locking in any deal. Want more tips on home buying with crypto? Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. For more home buying insights and expert advice, visit mortgageresearch.com. We'll see you on the next video.